Hello guys, Singing Toys and More here, and today I have the Gemmy animated party monkey, also known as the Hot Stepper Monkey Party Monkey. This is a sock monkey, of course, part of the Sock Monkey series. This is what it looks like. He's got a party hat with a blue bobble on top. Both of his ears are like red in the middle, at the front I mean. He's got the Gemmy logo right there. Two red bubbles on his front of his chest. His legs and hands are both white. His nose, mouth, and his hat's like polka dotted, with white polka dots and a blue center at the bottom, and both of his eyes as well. Here's the back of him. He's got a tail, white tail, right at the end of his tail. The backpack's in there. You just have to undo this. It's like Velcro. But yeah. How I got this was a birthday present. It wasn't working 100% because it would work and then in the middle of the activation it would randomly just shut off, and then it got worse. Fact being that it didn't want to walk. It would when it had force put on it, it wouldn't work at all really. But now that's been fixed, so now it works. There's also a tag on the side of him. But yeah, without further ado, I'll show this to you.
They say it's your birthday. It's my birthday too, yeah. They say it's your birthday. We're gonna have a good time. I'm glad it's your birthday. Happy birthday to you.
But yeah, that was him. I also forgot to mention he's got ribbons that connect his hat. But yeah, I'll show you some more close-ups of him. Okay guys, that is going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. This is Singing Toys and More, and I'm out. Bye.